Hey guys, Parker here /Yoshi. Welcome to my channel, Yoshi on the Go, where we do stuff. Today, we are taking a look at iMovie for iOS. We're gonna do some editing stuff. I just shot really bad unboxing video for my second channel, Gamesiders, where I got this replica Master Sword. I thought this would be a good opportunity to do a little tutorial and check out how great iMovie Mobile is. This is the view. We can select that left tab and see all the video and just dive right in. We could go to the projects to edit a project, press this plus button right here, or we could go to the theater, which I don't ever use. We'll go ahead and go over to projects, click that plus button, click movie. Effectively, we'll select, and it looks like 7 items, 1 minute, so it's super short. We'll do create movie. Okay, now one thing that's kind of unfortunate and super annoying is that iMovie automatically adds all these transitions, which I don't want. So we're gonna select all those and just click none. Now that that's done, this is in fact a Gamesiders video, so I have these pre-made title and end cards that I have saved as a video file on my iCloud drive. Now, to access that, we'll press the plus on the left side here, go down to the very bottom, iCloud drive, click on that Gamesiders intro, and it's already downloaded, so it just drops it in there just like that. Now, if it's not downloaded, you need Wi-Fi to access it, but once you have it downloaded from iCloud to iMovie, that's all you need to do. So it's really handy when you're on the go. Click my left end, this, and use that to scroll all the way to the end of the project. Then we'll click the plus button again, go back to iCloud, and it says it's right there, Gamesiders end logo. We'll click that and it'll just drop it right in. Just pretty dang awesome. So now it's about 1:57. Let's just watch what we have so far, I guess. Just got a package. I'm thinking, oh boy. I don't want all the taking out part, so we'll cut in between the two, and we'll use our thumbs to zoom in and take our fingers and slide down just like that to cut it. Then we'll scroll over to right before I take the sticker out, right there, select it and slide it down again. Then we'll select this middle part and just delete it. Oh boy. So that looks a lot better. We don't need that extra 10 seconds of me fumbling around trying to get the sticker out. Oh, wrong end. Same thing here. Now I can either swipe it down, or if I want to, I can drag this left edge just like that. Scrub it to the right moment. I don't know what song that is, but it came to my head and so I did that. So all this middle stuff, we just need to take it out. Got a foam so yeah. So right before I start talking, I'll make a cut there. All right. Right after the awkward song, and then we'll just delete that middle part. So let's see what that looks like. Yeah, got a foam replica of the Master freaking Sword. It's a little bit shorter than I thought it would be, but it was on sale and it looks really good. This would be a good time to scrub the end. It looks really good. Really good. We don't need that ending part, so we'll just scrub it to right there. We'll cut it there and delete that beginning part we don't need. Yeah. Scrub the end of that. It's very obviously foam, but it's really light, bendable. That I can see that breaking super easily, unfortunately. But I mean, yeah. All right, like that. That would be a really good screenshot, but I won't do that until I get it back on the Mac. And we don't need this ending part, so we'll just, since we're moving, it's better to start when we're already in motion. So maybe right around here, you can stop that. And do the swoop around. Hey, I mean, That's not too shabby. One other thing we could do is add audio, and I might have some audio, some like remixed Zelda stuff synced. Because I know I have some, okay, yep. Look at all this. Is it playing? Well, we've got this trap remix right here. I don't know if that's a glitch or if it's because it's plugged in to the lightning cable. It might be trying to push out the audio. We'll go ahead and click use. From thinking, oh boy. It would be, but it was on sale and it looks really good. Yeah. So it's very obviously foam, but it's really light. And so for this one, I wonder if we can duck the audio. Dang, it doesn't look like we can. Let's see what Western looks like. You know, it's foam. This is very. So yeah, we'll just have to cut the audio like that. Obviously foam, but it's really light, and it looks good. Ha! So I actually want to slow that down a little bit just so we have a little bit more time. Just go right here and slow that down. 2/3 I think would be just fine. I could just mute the outro, which I think is what I want to do. So it just continues on. So I think that's pretty much as good as it's gonna get done. But we'll go ahead and click that share button, and it looks like we can share directly to YouTube. However, I'm not signed into my GameSiders account right now, so we'll just go save video. Plus, I need to save it to my hard drive anyways. Some of it was filmed with the outside camera in 4K, some of it was filmed in the inside camera in 1080p. Maybe we better just stick to 1080p. That still will look just fine. The foam won't be any more foamier in 4K. We'll go ahead and let that export. Alright, now we're back into the YouTube account. We'll go ahead and switch over. Ooh, 1,039 subscribers. Thanks guys, that's awesome. Switch over to GameSiders. And click the camera. Oh, is that live streaming? So we'll allow access to access our photos. Okay, access the camera, access the microphone. So we could totally go live. That's crazy. But we'll just select that first video, and it's already edited and it's good and everything. So we'll go next. Title: Master Sword Unboxing. So we'll click that upload. It's been a couple of years since I've uploaded directly from mobile, so that's pretty crazy. It's preparing, but we'll go ahead and speed that up. That's just about all we can do as far as the phone is concerned. There is one more step I'd like to take, is to add that custom thumbnail. By the way, look at this picture. Isn't that just amazing? And the answer is yes. Yes, it is. Okay, let's see. We should be... Oh, are we done? I think we're done. Sweet. So in hindsight, this Western look is really yellow and gross, but it's too late. Oh well. I mean, it's never too late. I could go back and change the filter and re-export it, then re-upload it. That would just take a couple minutes, but I don't want to, so we're not going to. I don't care that much. So first we're going to drag this. Let's see, there's a special file folder right here to my GameSiders 2018. Just drop it right there and it'll export. Is it done? Just like that. A quick look at. This is the 36th video, so we'll go ahead and command delete it from iPhoto because we don't need it there. Got an Affinity photo file, so that's for Breath of the Wild, that's for my reviews. That's just a standard thumbnail. Okay, so we'll open this guy up. Right there, looks pretty good. We'll do Command Shift 4. Look at the little crosshairs. Come up to the corner. Go to the next corner. Click. Command S to save, Command Option Shift S, the keyboard shortcut to export. So right now that's 5.3 megabytes, 93, 1.5 megabytes. All right, has to be less than 2 for YouTube. And then we already have the video, so we'll actually click the video so it has the same name. Click save, upload the custom thumbnail. And that should be it. Save, and that's pretty much it. That's how you use iMovie to shoot, edit, and upload and have the whole process all without ever leaving the phone. So that's pretty cool. As always, thanks for watching, and yeah, cool.